Struggling to find the perfect health routine? Wondering how to stay on top of your fitness, diet, and mental well-being? You're not alone. The journey to better health can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to break down essential health tips specifically for men that will help improve your overall health, whether it's physical fitness, nutrition, or mental well-being. No matter where you are in your health journey, these tips are practical, effective, and easy to implement. In this video, we'll cover 4 main areas of men's health, a well-rounded fitness routine that you can tailor to your needs, whether you're aiming for strength, endurance, or overall wellness. Simple but effective nutrition tips to support your body's needs and promote long-term health. Common health mistakes that men often make and how to avoid them. Inspirational success stories from real men who have transformed their health with consistency and dedication. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to improve your overall health, feel more energized, and live a happier, more balanced life. Stick around, and you'll see how simple yet impactful these changes can be. Warm up. Why warming up is important. Before jumping into any exercise routine, a proper warm-up is key to preventing injuries and maximizing your workout performance. A good warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles, enhances your flexibility, and prepares your body for more intense activities. Specific warm-up exercises: hike knees 30 seconds, arm swings 20 seconds per direction, hip circles 15 seconds per side, lunges with a twist 10 reps per side. Spend about 5 minutes on this warm-up to ensure your body is ready for the workout ahead. Workout routine. This fitness routine is designed to improve overall strength, cardiovascular health, and flexibility. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, these exercises will challenge you and help you achieve your fitness goals. Push-ups 3 sets of 12 minus 15 reps. Bodyweight squats 3 sets of 15 reps. Planks 3 sets, hold for 30 minus 45 seconds. Lunges 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Nutrition tips. Prioritize protein. Don't skip breakfast. Stay hydrated. Limit processed foods. Common mistakes: ignoring flexibility and mobility. Overtraining. Skipping regular checkups. Hear from real men who have successfully improved their overall health. These stories show how simple changes, consistency, and dedication can lead to incredible results. Exercise demonstrations. For each exercise, demonstrate proper form: push-ups, bodyweight squats, planks, lunges, infographics, before and after photos. For each exercise, demonstrate proper form: push-ups, bodyweight squats, planks, lunges, infographics, before and after photos. Engagement and interaction questions: what's your biggest health challenge right now? Let me know in the comments below. What small change have you made recently to improve your health? I'd love to hear about it. Challenges. Introduce a 30-day health challenge where viewers commit to following the tips from this video and track their progress. Encourage them to share their journey in the comments or on social media. Improving your health is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, and you'll see the results. Every healthy choice you make today is an investment in your future. Keep pushing forward. Success tips: set realistic goals, stay accountable. If you found these health tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your support helps us create more videos to help you improve your health. Next steps. Check out our other videos on men's health and fitness, including a complete guide to stress management and mental well-being. Today, we covered essential health tips for men, from a well-rounded workout routine to simple nutrition advice and common health mistakes to avoid. Remember, improving your health is all about balance and consistency. Closing statement. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into stress management techniques that every man should know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise or nutrition program, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or concerns.